Welcome back to this new video to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with a task that many of us dread, creating presentations. But what if I told you that the AI could make the process incredibly fast and easy? Let's explore the best AI tools for creating stunning presentations. So first of all, I'm going to open any tab and I'm going to introduce you to this great application called the AI Presenter. So gone are the days of endless slide design and formatting. The AI-powered presentation tools are revolutionizing the way they create and deliver information. So the tools of the AI to automate many of the tedious aspects of presentation creation, allowing you to focus into your content delivery. Now, several AI-powered presentation tools are available, each with its own strengths and features. Some popular examples include, in this case, for example, the AI.net. So these tools often AI to generate slide layouts, suggest images and graphics, even write slides content based to your input. The core idea is simple. You provide a tool with some basic information like your presentation topic, key points, and these are your slides, and the AI does the actual rest. For this particular demonstration, we're going to be using Prezi. Prezi is one of the greatest elements that can help you to get started. Now, you have of course the link down below in the description if you wanted to try out the actual other presentation application. Now for this particular tutorial, since we're going to be using a Windows account, we're going to be using Prezi. Now the Prezi is ease of use. The best tools are intuitive and easy to use even for the beginners. The template variety is going to be really amazing. The image and icon library is really accessible to almost anybody. And the content generation that the AI does is really stunning. Now once again, to get started, you have the link down below in the description. Inside the Prezi, you have the section that says create with artificial intelligence. Now inside this section that says Prezi.com create, you have the untitled element, and basically the artificial intelligence is going to be asking you a little bit more about what presentation do you want to create. For example, here, let's go for tips for YouTube channel success. Continue. Now tell me about your topic. I will use your answers to suggest content and design ideas. For example, this is a short presentation that will be presented online for people who wanted to get started in the YouTube world and create their first YouTube channel. Now we can use content files such as images, PDF files, and of course all the information we can use provided in that topic. So I'm going to hit into the option that says generate. Basically the presentation should be generated in no time. What is really great about the artificial intelligence presentations is that basically all the ideas will be generated by the Prezi. And what you need to do is to check out how they actually looks. For example, checking out different sections. For example, here happening to the right section, just if you preview how it actually looks the presentation into just minutes. Let's see how this tool works in actions. So creating a presentation generates professional looking slide deck. As you can see, the AI generated a complete presentation into the right section, but basically we are going to be generating more designs, backgrounds, color palette, and all of that. So we can choose to suggest new colors and suggest new background elements and suggest new designs based into what you actually asked for. And once you have chosen a color palette, once you have chosen the background, once you have chosen an actual design, this is what actually going to be happening here. I'm going to choose, for example, this selection. Here is my color palette and here is my background. Now with this information, I'm going to choose for the option that says go to the editor. And now we are inside our new presentation. So the AI generated a complete presentation including the slide layouts, images, and even more text. You will want to review and customize the presentation to make it your own, but the AI has done the bulk into work. So the better you input, the better the AI generated presentation will be. Always review the AI generated content and make sure it's accurate and aligns with your message. Now use AI as a tool to speed up the process, but don't be afraid to add your own creativity and expertise. At the end of the day, this is your own presentation and this is your business to tell to the world. Lastly, remember that the presentation is just a tool. Your delivery is still crucial for engaging your audience. So once again, the AI is informed with the way to create presentations, so you don't have to be discouraged that you don't have enough information to tell your story or to just adding all the information there. Basically, what I do when I have all of my new frames already been created, I think that I'm ready to, let's say, adding more elements. For example, it says tips for your YouTube channel success. I wanted to change, I don't know, maybe the title like this, and I wanted to change this section that says YouTube for something like this, channel success, and I can make this smaller, so I can start to get creative here, because basically the artificial intelligence is going to be helping me to basically do whatever I wanted to. I got for beginners to launch and monetize your channel, and as you can see, all the information actually looks really well. Configure your channel, choosing your channel name. I choose the option that says start presentation, of course with a watermark, but basically that doesn't matter, because what I'm actually focusing on is into this, my actual great artificial intelligence presentation. And I can go for the next slide, and everything looks correctly good. Everything looks really awesome. It's happened at it, all this great information, and basically that's how we can actually get started with this artificial intelligence presentation designer. So by leveraging these tools, you can create stunning and engaging presentations. You can create stunning fraction of the time. Embrace the power of the AI, but always remember to add your own human touch. So if you find this story helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Express. Once again, you have the link down below the description for both presentations that we're using Mac or Windows. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Place your questions in the comments below, and we'll be sure to address them. Thank you for watching, guys, and go create some amazing presentations.